Hi everyone, I am Shahan Laik and today I will discuss about top 50 common prescription drugs. So these drugs are very much common in prescription. So if you learn all these 50 drugs, you will learn the common drugs. Number 1 is atorvastatin. Atorvastatin is HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor. This is used to treat high cholesterol. Brand name is Lipitor. Next is levothyroxine. Levothyroxine is synthetic thyroid hormone, synthetic thyroid T4 hormone. Brand name is Levothyroid, Levoxyl, Unithroid, Synthroid. This is used for treatment of hypothyroidism. Next is lisinopril. Lisinopril is ACE inhibitor. It is used to treat high BP after heart failure or heart attack, and brand is Prenivil Gestrel. Metformin, brand name is Glucophage, Riomet. It is used for treatment of diabetes. Amlodipine is calcium channel blocker. It is used for treatment of high blood pressure and angina. Next is this one, metoprolol. Metoprolol is beta blocker, which is a versatile drug. It is used for high blood pressure, angina, heart failure, heart attack. It is it has a brand low pressure and Toprol XL. Toprol from this Toprol XL. Albuterol, asthma. It is used for treatment of asthma, bronchoconstriction, bronchospasm, lung problem. Brand name is Acuneb, Pro Air, Pro Ventril, all this. Omeprazole, which is used for treatment of heartburn, GERD, ulcer. It is a PPI and brand name is Prolisec. Losartan is ARB, angiotensin receptor blocker. It is for high blood pressure, kidney disease in diabetes. Brand name is Cozar. Next is simvastatin, which is statin, and it is most popular after atorvastatin. Brand name is Jocor. Gabapentin is for controlling epilepsy and seizure. Hydrochlorothiazide for high BP and edema. Hydrochlorothiazide. Acetaminophen for narcotic pain reliever, for moderate to mild pain reliever. Example, headache, toothache, muscle ache, acetaminophen. Sertraline for depression, anxiety, panic attack. Fluticasone for allergic rhinitis. Montelukast for symptoms of asthma. Furosemide for fluid retention, edema. Amoxicillin antibiotic. Pantoprazole for GERD. Escitalopram for generalized anxiety disorder, depression, all this. Alprazolam for panic disorder and anxiety disorder. Prednisone for steroid, and prednisone is a steroid. It is for low corticosteroid level. It is used for treatment of asthma, arthritis, etc. Bupropion is also for treatment of depression and seasonal affective disorder. Bupropion. Pravastatin is for reduction the risk of heart attack and stroke. Next is citalopram. Citalopram is for depression, SSRI. Amphetamine is used for treatment of ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Buprofen is for treatment of pain, tenderness, swelling, stiffness, all this. Carvedilol for Dilol is also the LOL, so it is for heart failure, blood pressure, all this, high blood pressure. Next is Trazodone. Trazodone is for treatment of depression. Fluoxetine also for depression. Tramadol for severe pain. Insulin glargine for type 1 diabetes. Clonazepam for certain types of seizure, panic attack, clonazepam. Tamsulosin for the symptoms of prostate, tamsulosin. Okay, this is tamsulosin. Atenolol, so lol is there, so it is beta blocker, high blood pressure, angina. potassium for supplement if there is deficiency. Meloxicam, so the name Oxycam, this is Oxycam, so Oxycam is there, so it is for osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, Meloxicam. Next is rosuvastatin is there, so it is LDL cholesterol, it will decrease the LDL cholesterol level, it is a statin, decrease the risk of heart attack and stroke. Clopidogrel, also for preventing heart attack and stroke, clopidogrel. Next is propranolol, so lol is there, beta blockers, so high BP and arrhythmias, all these things. Aspirin, it is for treatment of arthritis, pain, and also for decreasing fever, and also it prevents heart attack and stroke. Cyclobenzaprine is for muscle pain. Next is glipizide for treatment of type 2 diabetes. Duloxetine for depression, GAD, generalized anxiety disorder, all this, Duloxetine. Zetin, the name Zetin means it's for depression and GAD. Next is methylphenidate is also used for ADHD. Methylphenidate for ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Next is ranitidine is for GERD. Next is venlafaxine is for also depression and GERD. Next is zolpidem is actually a sedative hypnotic. This is a drug. Zolpidem is used for the insomnia. And this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please write down a comment if you like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.